In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find referral code on Temu. To get started, open the Temu app on your Android phone or iPhone and make sure you're signed in to your account. This is important because your referral code is connected to your personal profile, so you won't usually be able to access it unless you're logged in first. If the app takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds until the main screen appears. Once you're inside the app, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the section labeled You or Me. This will take you to your profile area where Temu keeps your account settings, orders, rewards, and other personal features. If you've never explored this section before, don't worry, this is where most account-related tools are located. From your profile page, look for an option such as Invite Friends, Earn Rewards, or Refer and Earn. The exact wording can vary depending on your location, the version of the app, or any current promotions Temu is running. So if you don't see one exact label, just look for a referral or rewards related section that seems similar. When you find it, tap that referral section to open the referral program page. This is the area where Temu shows your invite tools and any benefits tied to sharing the app with other people. On this page, you should be able to find your referral code. In many cases, it will appear alongside your personal referral link, so you may see both options available at the same time. Next, copy the referral code by tapping the copy button. If you'd rather share a direct link instead of the code itself, you can copy the referral link instead. Both options usually lead to the same referral program, so you can choose the one that's easier for you to send. After that, share your code or link using whatever method you prefer. You can send it through text messages, social media, email, or any messaging app you normally use. If you're sharing with multiple people, the referral link is often the quickest option because it's easy for others to tap directly. Finally, return to the same referral page whenever you want to track your referrals and rewards. This is where you can check whether your friends signed up and completed any actions required for you to receive credit. And that's how to find your referral code on Temu.